Hi, I'm Gretchen Salinas, and I'm the Advanced Academics Coordinator and AVID District Director in Northeast ISD. Are you interested in enhancing your college, career, and life skills before you graduate? The AVID program can do all of that and more. AVID stands for Advancement via Individual Determination. This national program is available at 21 NEISD campuses and focuses on three main components: academic instruction, tutorial support, and college readiness. What does this mean for you or your child? Every student in the AVID program spends one elective period each day setting goals, building the confidence to pursue their dreams and passions. This starts with additional academic support that encourages critical thinking, organizational skills, problem solving, and collaborative communication skills. Every student receives one-on-one and group tutoring to help improve their grades and confidence in the classroom. Students in the AVID program have a built-in support system that helps with college tours, career visits, college applications, and scholarships. Success builds confidence. AVID can help place your child on the fast track to their career or college of choice. When you're ready to take the next step, we'll be there to help.
You will have support. You will not be alone. That is the most important part, is that you will not be alone in this process.
I'm very introverted. Especially coming into high school, I talked to basically no one. And through the program, I started talking to more people because this program requires you to build communication skills as well. We do verbal presentations, and we basically get rid of that fear. So with that, I've made a bunch of new friends and connections that anyone that's joining the program can make.
AVID is just like a really good opportunity for you to not only improve your learning, but to also make new friends. It's a really good place to meet people, and I believe that if you can meet people in AVID that also share like your ambition, then it's a really good class to take.
AVID program is basically like, it's to help you get into college basically. It's a way to better your time management skills and to help make new friends.
I normally didn't have like all my stuff in different places. I just had them all in my backpack and it was very messy. And now, like, my papers are organized. I know what papers I have to do, papers I have to turn in, things like that.
It helps you just stay focused in class because you have time to work on other stuff while you're in AVID.
Do you want to excel in high school and college? Well, AVID will help you do that.
AVID has helped me to be organized, to have better time management in my classes, and create better opportunities to be able to go to college.
I am a first-generation college student, and I really didn't know anything about high school or college. And entering here, you get so much information and help.
Using processes like Cornell notes for like your reading and process articulation while writing down your steps for math has really helped me grow, become a better student.
It's helping them get organized, not work hard, but work smarter and help them get ready for the next level.